Hi, welcome to Diving Dogs Crochet. Today I want to show you some of my many beanies I have made through the years, just to give you some inspiration if you want to make a beanie. So let's just jump right into it. First, I think this was actually the first beanie I've ever made, the waffle stitch beanie. It's worked with the ribbing on the bottom and then worked up in this waffle stitch pattern, and then I added a pom-pom on top. This has a really nice texture and I really like this pattern for a beanie, so I recommend this one. I have also made this one in a little different yarn, also made with the ribbing on the bottom and then worked in a single crochet double crochet pattern, and yeah, you can just see the stitches right here. And I will of course show you every material and such in the tutorials. So you can always see all the info in the tutorials, and all of my tutorials are made for beginners, so everyone are able to follow those. A lot of my beanies doesn't have pom-poms on it, and it's because I bought this very expensive pom-pom. It's about $50 for one pom-pom. So I take it off and then I put it on different beanies. So I only have one big beautiful pom-pom which I switch between. I just use the trick where I sew a button inside the hat, and then the pom-pom has a rubber band around it, and then I just put it around the button, and then I can switch the pom-pom out. So this beanie, this is so beautiful, but without a pom-pom, not that beautiful. But imagine if you add this one, so beautiful. So I don't have a pom-pom on a lot of my hats, but they are so beautiful anyways. This is one of my prettiest hats, I actually think. It's called the Himalaya hat on my channel. I also made this little pink hat for my daughter. She really likes this little pom-pom in pink. Just a simple little pink hat. Then I made this one for my husband. A simple rib hat, not that high or what, yeah, you know, it doesn't go up or down that much. It sits on top of the head, but it's cute on him. This is also for my husband, also in this with the rib on the bottom and worked in a single crochet double crochet pattern. It doesn't recommend a pom-pom. I think it's great as it is. Yep. Then I wanted to try some Tunisian crochet, as I do. I always want to try Tunisian crochet, but I don't really succeed with it. I don't really love it. And this one got way too big as well. It looks horrible. It's see, it warms the ears, yes, but not that great. It works, yes, but not my favorite. But it's the honeycomb stitch I really want to show you, actually. The honeycomb stitch, it's beautiful. So there's that. Talk about beautiful. This one in yarn from We Are Knitters. I have some yarn from We Are Knitters here. It's a really nice yarn. This is called the petite wool because the yarn is thin. This one is just regular wool because it's the thick yarn, and the color of the yarn is Yarnicorn. I think it's so cute. We can fold this one up as well, and yeah, it's better wearing it down, I think. It's a regular rib pattern. I really wanted to make a really bulky beanie with the rib pattern, so there's that. Then I made this brown beanie with a single crochet worked in rounds. Really nice as well. This is actually one of the nicer ones. I'm sorry, it's not wearing a pom-pom. I don't know if you can imagine it. It's actually quite cute with the pom-pom on it, this beanie. Then I made this one for my daughter. A very beautiful beanie with the alpine stitch. And I made this one for my son. It's very dark. I remember the tutorial. I think it was very dark. It's not easy to see dark yarn. That's why I don't really crochet a lot in dark yarn. But this beanie is really cute for him. I also made this one for him when he was a little younger. Also with a cute little pom-pom. I don't remember what the yarn is called. It's from Hobbii, but I mention it in the tutorial. Then I wanted to use up some of my scraps because I crochet a lot, so I have a lot of scraps. This is just a simple rib beanie in scrap yarn. And then my favorite beanie, this one. This is this has been used a lot, so it's a little worn, you see. But it's because my husband loves it a lot and it's really old. But I just wanted to show you because it's my favorite beanie. So if I should recommend a beanie for a man, I will do this one. I really like the yarn. It's called Merino something from Alice. I write it in the tutorial for this one, exactly what yarn it is. So that was some of my beanies. I really want to hear which one was your favorite. Please leave a comment down below. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!